Good morning children, Sai Ram. So today we are going to continue with our lesson number 7, festivals. So in the previous class we have seen that what are the different types of festivals we celebrate, right? And how we celebrate festivals. So let's have a small recap about whatever we have studied in the previous session. Are you ready children? Yes. So let's move on. So festivals are the time for celebration and fun. Festivals are the time for celebration and fun. So during our festival times, we wear dress, that is new clothes, and visit our friends and relatives. So during festival times, what do? We wear new clothes and visit our friends and relatives. Okay, so we also exchange greeting cards. We prepare special food like which suits the occasion. Okay, we also celebrate festivals with our family and friends. So these are the things that we generally do for festivals, right? So let us see in detail. Okay, festivals are special occasion. Schools and office remain closed. We celebrate festivals with our friends, family. We exchange gifts and greeting cards. So let me repeat. What are festivals? Festivals are special occasions. Schools and offices remain closed. We celebrate festivals with our friends and family. We exchange gifts and greeting cards. So these are altogether known as festivals, right? So let us see what are the two types of festivals. They are national days and other religious festivals. So we have already seen what are national days. So there are 3 national days which are very important for us. So what are they? So some special days like Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are called national days. So some special days such as Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are called national days. They are celebrated all over India. So not only in different states they celebrate national days all over India. Okay. So what are they? Republic Day. So Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. So Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. And next, Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti, these events we celebrate in our schools, right? So what do we do during these national days? So we sing our national anthem and take pledge for our nation. Okay? So we celebrate in schools, colleges and all educational institutions. Okay? So we must respect our national flag and our national anthem. So not only during these days but always we should show our respect towards our nation by respecting our national flag and national anthem. Okay. So Gandhi Jayanti. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? On 2nd of October. So Gandhi Jayanti is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. So Gandhi ji is called as the father of our nation. So what is Gandhi ji called as? Gandhi ji is called as the father of our nation. Okay. He was also called as Bapu. He was also called as Bapu. Okay children. So now as I gave you a homework in last session, I am going to discuss the answers with you. Okay, are you ready? Yes. So first, let us see what are the answers. So Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. So have you written Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Next question, 15th August 1947 is celebrated as Independence Day. So tell me the spelling of Independence Day. I-N-D I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence Day. Okay. Gandhiji was also called as Bapu. So Gandhiji was also called as Bapu. B-A-P-U. Okay. The birthday of Gandhiji is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. So I have given the spelling for Gandhi Jayanti down here, so you can see that. So Gandhijayanti. So Gandhi Jayanti. The next question is, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. 2nd October. So, have you checked your answers? Are they right? So now let us repeat the answers once for all. Okay? Fill in the blanks. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. 15th August 1947 is celebrated as Independence Day. 15th August 1947 is celebrated as Independence Day. Gandhiji was also called as Bapu. Gandhiji was also called as Bapu. The birthday of Gandhiji is celebrated as dash. The birthday of Gandhiji was celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Gandhiji is celebrated on 2nd October. So I hope all of you have finished your project. Okay, I'm waiting to see all your projects. Okay. So next, let us move on to today's session. Okay, so this is the part 2 of our session. As we know, India is a land of different religions. India is a land of different religions. So here we have a lot of religions. Among them we have the basic religions that are listed here. So Christianity, Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Okay, so we have different religions in India and we celebrate different religious festivals, right? So among these religious festivals, we are going to see a few of the religious festivals. Okay, so we celebrate different festivals in our country, as I told you, and today we are going to see about Eid, Guru Purab, Diwali, Christmas. So these are the 4 important religious festivals that we are going to see in this session. So how many of you have Muslim friends? Yes? Okay. So Muslims celebrate Eid, that is Ramzan. Okay. Guru Purab is celebrated by the Sikhs, and Diwali is celebrated by Hindus, and finally we have Christmas that is celebrated by the Christians. Okay. So during festival times, what are the things that we do? Yes, in India and all over the world, during festivals, the first thing we do is we clean and decorate our houses and surrounding areas. So what does mommy do? She cleans everything and decorates the house plus the surrounding areas for all the festivals. Why? Because all the relatives will be coming during festival times. So that time the house should look clean and tidy, isn't it? So that's why mother cleans and decorates our houses and surrounding areas for all the festivals. Okay. So next is Eid. Eid is celebrated to end a month of fasting called Ramzan. So Eid is celebrated to offer, Eid is celebrated to end a month of fasting called Ramzan. So our Muslim friends, they do fasting from mid morning till evening. Okay, so that time they are not supposed to eat anything and they do fasting. So once the fast breaks, they have their meal. Okay, so to end a month of fasting, they celebrate Ramzan. So they do fasting for about 40 days. Okay, people wish each other Eid Mubarak. Like we wish Happy Diwali for Diwali, people wish Eid Mubarak to Muslims during Ramzan. They prepare sweets like sevan. So that is a special sweet that is made on Ramzan. They offer special prayers at the mosque. So can you see? The Muslim friends, they hug each other saying Eid Mubarak. So Ramzan is a month of fasting. And next we have Guru Purab. So during Guru Purab, the Sikh Gurus are honored. So they celebrate it in Gurudwaras. Okay. So this is a place of worship for the Sikhs. So next we have Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. As you know, Diwali, the word Diwali means a row of lights, and it is a festival of lights. People buy new clothes and new household things during Diwali time. They prepare sweets at home, light diyas and burst firecrackers. So what do they do during Diwali? They prepare sweets at home, light diyas and burst firecrackers. So next we have Christmas. So all of you like Christmas, isn't it? Jesus Christ was born on 25th of the December. Okay, so Jesus Christ was born on 25th of December. So that day we celebrate it as Christmas. Okay, so during Christmas we light stars and small lights to show that Jesus has born to save the world. Okay, people go to church and offer prayers. So church is a place of worship for the Christians. So church is a place of worship for the Christians. So that's all for today, children. So go home, learn the given lessons. So if you're having your textbooks, just go through each and every word, start reading the lesson. So in the next session, I will read out the lesson completely and give you the question and answers. So if you have any doubts, please let me know, and this is a very, very important lesson. So keep learning, don't waste time, stay safe at home. Okay children, thank you.